One home, one plan, one trusted partner, richmondcustomhomes.com. If you purchased your home when rates were higher, or if your financial goals have changed, refinancing could be a smart strategic move. A refinance loan allows you to replace your current mortgage with a new one, potentially lowering your interest rate, reducing your monthly payment, or shortening your loan term. You may also be able to access your home's equity through a cash-out refinance, giving you funds for renovations, debt consolidation, or other major expenses. But refinancing isn't just about chasing a lower rate. It's about evaluating long-term savings, closing costs, break-even timelines, and how the new loan structure aligns with your overall financial strategy. At richmondcustomhomes.com, we review your current mortgage, analyze market conditions, and help you determine whether refinancing strengthens your financial position. The right refinance can create flexibility, stability, and long-term savings. Let's evaluate your options today. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647. 804-212-8663. Dwayne at coast2coastmal.com and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.